At O'Brien, we continue to invest in state-of-the-art technology, looking for new and innovative ways to better service our customers. Whether it be technology in our branches or virtual support technology, we're always looking to stay ahead. We've partnered with Bosch to develop an innovative recalibration solution for the majority of vehicles with advanced driver assist systems. We call it CalTech. After the windscreen is replaced, our CalTech process recalibrates the camera to the car's safety system as the manufacturer intended. If the camera in your vehicle is out of alignment, even by a few millimeters, those safety systems may not function as the manufacturer intended, which could increase the risk of collisions.
When you bring your vehicle to O'Brien, we can perform both the windscreen replacement and the CalTech recalibration at the same time. We believe the safest option is to recalibrate the camera in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. It can take up to 90 minutes to recalibrate a windscreen once the windscreen has been replaced.
About 25% of cars in Australia have ADAS technology and therefore are likely to need recalibrating when the windscreen is replaced. By 2026, it is estimated that over 60% of cars will have built-in ADAS technology. Just contact us for more information.